Here's the latest news report for the stock market, and I'm going to break down everything that happened today so you don't have to. The US stock market actually bounced back on Monday, seeing some gains from the horrendous losses that we saw last week. But again, Wall Street continues to argue this AI bubble of whether or not it's burst, whether or not it's living to its valuation. The question marks are out there, but today, both Nvidia and AMD gained 3%, while Oracle surged 10%, and Microsoft gained 2%. So there was a rally for the tech stocks. However, they are clearly under investigation, and today there will be another semiconductor company releasing their earnings, as ON will release their quarterly earnings after the close today. And that is very important because, as we've seen, the market has not liked any of the earnings results from last week's besides Meta, and it's going to be very interesting to see how that continues on throughout the year. Now, a big part of how this is going to play out throughout the year is going to be the economic data. Last week, we got an ADP private sector job report that was actually quite negative, and we're going to get the delayed job report that was pushed to this Wednesday from the government shutdown. And this report's coming from the Bureau of Labor Statistics. That's going to give us a summary of the January jobs report. And even later in the week, we're going to get a consumer inflation report, as both are going to give us a little bit more of an outline of how stocks are going to move, at least in the short term. Meanwhile, gold and Bitcoin continue to remain the focus of investors on Monday, with gold going back above 5,000 after going below 5,000 last week, which gold's rally has just been absolutely insane over the last year. Meanwhile, Bitcoin fell below $69,000. And last Thursday, Bitcoin suffered its sharpest daily decline since 2022. And the last news you need to know is that we're going to have some more quarterly reports coming out this week, with companies like Coca-Cola, McDonald's, and Cisco releasing earnings. But for now, that is all the information you need to know. I will keep you guys updated as soon as something happens. Peace.